In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Then you need to download this completely free app from this developer and just open. Now click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. Then choose I accept in the pop-up and adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. When you're ready, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. This time select Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Set Wallpaper and decide if you wish to apply it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of those options. So now when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!